Your voice and personalized story can be very impactful inside the halls of the state capitol. You've got an opportunity to advocate for not only the kids in your school district, but across the state of Minnesota. Before you sit in that influential seat, you'll likely be wondering, where do I park? Where are the bathrooms? And what exactly is the SOB? In this video, we'll take you from the exit ramp to the testifier table. Give yourself plenty of time to travel, to park, to find the restroom, connect with your lobbyist or other legislative allies, and take a seat. Think of it as pre-game. There's no such thing as too early. At the Capitol, early is on time. Start today by checking out a map of the Capitol complex. Find your building and scope out nearby parking lots. The Capitol complex is actually made up of a series of buildings, and most of the work is conducted outside the Capitol building itself. If you're testifying in a House committee, you're likely going into the State Office building, or commonly referred to as the SOB. If you're testifying in a Senate committee, you'll likely be heading into the Minnesota Senate building. Once in a while, House or Senate committees will meet in their designated space in the Capitol. You can easily walk from one building within the Capitol complex to another using the underground tunnel system. The Senate building has 3 large hearing rooms on the main level floor. Fairly easy to figure out when you're here. The House hearings are in the State Office building and in rooms found in the basement, ground level, or the second floor. They're labeled. Just find the elevators and you're almost there. Think of this like your favorite sporting event. You want a seat closest to the action, right near the testifier table. The committee chair appreciates this, and everyone will be thankful that you help keep the meeting moving forward. Now you're ready to tell your story. Keep your remarks to 2 minutes and be sure to show the impact. Thank you for advocating for Greater Minnesota students.